Ja.
Ja.
Nice.
Real fisherman.
Yes, man.
What would
Don't play with
SpongeBob
him.
said?
Nice stuff,
5
man.
hours later. And that's how him bring up.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Nice.
Uncle Dave!
Yeah.
I tell you the truth, don't gonna talk crap or a bad mind, my bad mind, yeah?
Welcome back to Winnie's Adventure. Epic adventure on the beach. Why are you looking at me? So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna do barbecue, chicken, fried chicken, fried fish, and everything.
Welcome to Auntie Winnie's. What's your channel? Win It Adventures. And we're stranded in the sea and they're abusing, they're...
Alright guys, so we're just gonna walk the beach just to see what's going on out here. So it's really packed today. It's so packed nobody can even come in. How crazy is that? So look, we have a whole setup right here. It's not ours, but you know, just showing you a little bit of what's going on.
I think they just want to have privacy.
Well, where we're at is good too. We're just not where all these crowds.
Yeah. I like it better.
Yeah, 'cause it's not
We have a vlogger!
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Liz.
Hi, Liz. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. What's your channel? What's the name of your channel?
I speak Spanish. My English is so-so.
Dyke. Give us some eye move, no? Where they? We have chicken over there.
Right, no put all the igloo them one place right there, so put the igloo over so.
That's chicken to there. We need to take that fish here.
This probably wants some more something there.
Chubby, come here with some stuff with Nisha.
Me no Nisha, me.
Lift
Ah,
up
me no
your
Nisha,
camera,
but
man.
me.
Yeah, go on. Go on.
You get too small, don't it?
No, just put enough for you'll be alright. One more and that's it. No, that's good. Chicken with your
Real fisherman.
Yes, man.
What was SpongeBob said? 5 hours later. I can't him bring come.
That's nice, that's nice, that's nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Me tell you the truth. Young lad talk crap. I bad mind, yeah.
No,
Okay.
Don't start that now.
don't even start this
Oh, look again. One of the man just left and one of the man just come in.
Chubby, what's up?
How you going?
How is the day so far?
You going on YouTube?
Huh?
You going on YouTube?
Yes.
Huh? Hello,
And
folks.
that's my future husband.
How you all doing? I'm doing just fine here. And we now getting started. That's how you will see some cooking.
Okay. Your name?
Chubby.
Your name?
Kenny.
Kenny?
How comes the grill are there over a campfire? Why that not look good? That not make sense. Why is the grill on top of the campfire though?
We don't need a campfire.
Yo, we're not too crazy.
Hola.
My niece, my beautiful niece.